Hey everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have the Apple TV 4K edition. We're going to do an unboxing. So note that this is the 32 gigabyte version. They also have a 64 gigabyte version, which basically just gives you more storage space for apps and things you're downloading from iTunes, etc. So they just kind of briefly list out the different things that you can access, and it includes Prime Video. That's really awesome. And of course, Netflix. So let's get this guy open. Voila! And here we have it. Of course, anything Apple always presented very nicely. So here we have the hockey puck. It's very similar to the old one. I've had one of these things for, I don't know, going on 7 or 8 years. Since not the first edition, but the second generation one. This one is a little bit bigger and definitely taller looking. Let's put this aside for a sec. And here's our remote. And it is very nice. So this actually has a touch screen on it. The old version just had kind of the circle with the start and back button. And this one includes the microphone, which of course is for your Siri voice commands, as well as up and down, and I guess that's for AirPlay. So very nice. It looks like on the back, it looks like an old iPhone 2G almost. Really throwback, and I guess that's for the mic. So very nice. And we'll put that down. What else we got in here? So this is the Hong Kong edition. So it comes with the British plug. So here's your normal figure 8 lead, and we have the UK plug. And what else we got? Start guide. We don't even need to look at this. And it actually comes with a lightning cable. So especially because this is the 4K edition, it's got a lot more processor power going on inside, so it's actually got some vents. The other one was basically like a solid hockey puck, except for the ports. This one actually has some ventilation on the bottom, and it says MCMC with some serial number, and we have this around the outside, and that's different than the old one. So, ooh, very nice unboxing experience. This is like unboxing therapy right now, and we're done. Very nice. And let's see what we got. Very simple here. We've got our power input. We have our HDMI, and this should be HDMI 2.0 standard, and then our gigabit Ethernet connector, so if you want to hardwire it. Of course, it also has Wi-Fi, so if it's not near your router or whatever, you don't even need to plug it in to get the internet, because you can definitely do it through Wi-Fi as well. So let's see all this together. Let's take a look at the remote control also while we're here. Also pretty satisfying. Aha, that's what this is for. So this is to charge your remote. Comes with a lightning cable to charge your remote. And of course, if you are an Apple user, which you probably are if you're buying the Apple TV, you've got your charger there anyway, so you probably can just save that cable instead of having to buy a replacement when your one eventually goes bad, and just use your regular phone charger to charge this thing up once in a while when it needs it. And based on the other one, which had just a watch battery, they last forever. This one, obviously, because it's a little bit more smart and active, it's going to need recharging more frequently, but it can't be that bad. So you probably don't even need to use that often. Okay, so that's it for the Apple TV 4K edition. Can't wait to try it out. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Do give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more awesome unboxing videos and how-tos here on Howtechs. Thanks and bye. Okay, so one more thing, let's just try out the pen just for fun. So as soon as you take it out, it seems to know.